Yeah. Shit, I gotta heal.
Yeah, we're gonna.
That's a big boy gun.
Lay down by
Okay,
this rock.
right down here to our north.
Okay, healing up.
Two teams fighting it out right here, and then there was like a AW to our northeast. We can push up to the right though.
Yeah, we can. Let's do it. I just didn't want to come blasting into the zone with our vehicle and tell everyone where we were.
Yep, there's gonna be guys right over this crest here.
Cool.
Man, that gun sounds so intimidating. Right here, right in front of me. Both dead. Nice.
Holy shit, I was like, there's so much blood! How are they not dying?
Oh, I got tons of
I was
stuff
shooting
here.
at somebody further up here. I was shooting at this guy. I have more shit than I can carry. My air suppressed.
Another 8x here. Alright.
I have 10 first aid kits. Do you need any?
I have 4 and a med kit. I'm good. I can't carry
I'm
any
dropping
more.
some. I dropped 5 because I'm too loaded to carry ammo.
We get through up here? Or do we gotta go down?
We gotta go. Shit, we're fucked. We're gonna have to drop in or something. Can we survive dropping
Yeah,
in?
we can. I think so. We might be able to get through right here. Oh, it's coming in.
It's coming
Shit.
in.
Yeah, we can. No, we can't survive that.
Fuck's sake.
I'm trying
Sucks.
it. We're not gonna survive anyways.
I'm running around.
Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna die. I'm dead. I slid off. God, I didn't realize it was coming in already.
Oh, say some prayers, man. I'm gonna go for it.
Heal up. There you go.
I'm gonna use a bunch of kits here. I don't have any boost running is the problem.
I should have gone around. I thought we could down right there.
I don't know if this is gonna pop or not. I'm gonna be a bitch. There can't be anyone behind me. No one survived that shit.
Yeah, you should be good. Somebody else was shooting at him too.
Yeah.
I think he was more down to your left.
Go over here somewhere.
Yep.
on in between guys. One to my right. Oh shit.
Yeah, the one to your left has the big boy gun. He's gonna hear that.
This guy's died for real?
He's behind you.
Thought I killed him.
He went down to your left.
That's alright. I was like, where'd the other one go? This guy's lit behind this rock.
So you got that guy and you got the guy to your left down there. That's it. Heal up.
Taking his spot here. I glitched so I could see through the rock for a second.
Yeah, I saw that.
I can get this energy drink off before he throws a nade.
You see him? Nice.
Woo! 9 kills.
Good shit.